Forget beach towels, grab your thermals. We're embarking on a virtual journey through Turkey's snow-dusted landscapes. Beyond the summer sun, this country transforms into a captivating winter wonderland. Brace yourself for stunning scenery, thrilling adventures, and cozy escapes unlike any other. Skiing paradise. Uludağ near Istanbul. Carve fresh tracks on beginner-friendly slopes or conquer advanced runs with breathtaking city views. Palandöken in Erzurum. Test your mettle on Olympic-level trails and adrenaline-pumping black diamonds. Kartalkaya ski and snowboard. Gentle slopes beckon beginners, while the snowpark ignites freestyle mania with rails, boxes, and halfpipes. Kars Express adventure. Board the legendary Kars Express for a 24-hour journey through snow-covered Anatolia. Charming villages twinkle through the window as you share stories with fellow travelers and soak in mesmerizing winter landscapes. Winter activities. Sleigh rides and snowmobiling. Glide through fairytale forests on a horse-drawn sleigh or zoom across untouched landscapes on a snowmobile. Ice skating and winter fun. Lace up your skates and spin across the rink. Relive childhood joy with snowball fights and snowman building. Cozy nights and fine dining. After a day of adventure, retreat to a cozy chalet or luxurious hotel. Warm up by a crackling fireplace, pamper yourself in the spa, and savor delectable Turkish cuisine beyond the usual. Cappadocia's winter magic. Witness snow-dusted fairy chimneys, ascend in a hot air balloon over a winter wonderland, explore ancient rock formations, and cozy up in a cave hotel for an unforgettable experience. Sapanca winter delights. Enjoy skiing and snowboarding at this popular destination, soak in the warmth of bonfires at triangle bungalows, and admire stunning lake views. Uludağ Bursa thrills. Carve fresh powder on diverse slopes, from beginner-friendly to adrenaline-pumping, and indulge in cozy cafes by crackling fires. Pamukkale's cascading white terraces. Unwind in these legendary thermal baths. In winter, the cascading white terraces become even more breathtaking, offering a blend of natural beauty and pure relaxation. Foodie delights. Warm your soul with hearty stews like kalpaka or tarhana. Sip steaming salep, and melt worries away with Turkish delight. Outrow. So, trade beach towels for mittens and embrace Turkey's winter wonderland. From thrilling slopes and cozy escapes to hidden gems and unforgettable experiences, this winter paradise awaits. Pack your sense of adventure, grab your warmest gear, and prepare to create memories that will last a lifetime. Embark on this magical winter journey with Turkey. Your unforgettable adventure awaits.